a great day.
I know, right?
Cookie? Cookie! Whatever. He's like,
Hey!
sorry, I thought you were asleep. Like, and you like me to
Catch ya.
get off me!
Ow!
So, Rose, what's that for? I can do anything. It's my channel, right? Caroline, you're right, Saros.
Yeah.
That's it! Cameraman, editor, grab Cookie! Alright, Claus. Well, alright, Saros. What do you want me to do with him? Throw him! Her! I know.
He's not my best friend.
He's your best friend? Huh, got no friends.
I'll let it slide.
What? That's cooking.
Cause he's an idiot. Dad,
Get out. I need to make this into chocolate.
no! This is mine!
No, it's not. How's the grass over there?
This is my grass! Get off!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Rattle strike!
Hey, what did I do? Ow!
Look at the sun. Yeah, what did he do? Idiot.
Stop talking to yourself.
Dominic! Can you get Brian and Pandra down from that tree up there? Please.
What will you do for me?
I would love you forever.
That's not good enough. Fine, can I come in your place?
I don't have a place. I'm owned by Caden.
Can I come in? Hey, cameraman, can I come in your place? What? Why?
He said because he's filming a video.
Alright. Hold on, let me get them. First?
Oh, what the heck? Yeah. Ow. Oh, coming down. Hey, Saros. Hey,
I am going
Pandra.
to abuse everybody. So, taste this.
Ow. I'm gonna go fly back up.
Oh, this, they are cooking.
Yeah, look at that idiot.
Alright.
What idiot, right? Why would you do that? Ow! Oh, guys, we're gonna end this short video here. Bye.